Mike.
Oh fuck, thank you.
Yep. Tractor shed corner. You see the glint.
Where?
Over to the right side of the tractor shed. You might see a little glint of the scope.
I need to get a grenade in that.
Yeah. I'm swinging around to
got two down already.
Huh? Sweet, good shooting then. Yeah, he's back there again.
Where is he?
Back corner. You know that little slit? You'll see it. You might see his shine of the scope.
Where we had two guns, got one through.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got one down.
Thank you, Blaine.
Alright, Steve, you ready to push up? Steve.
Hang on, one guy in tower.
Steve.
Which way?
We're gonna get up and walk along the side, right? Let me focus suicide, we're gonna do it, okay? Ready?
Alright, go.
Penny's in the right one.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, whenever you're.
That came from the left. Ready?
Yeah.
Hit! Nice shot!
I think that one BB hit both of us. Don't know, I'm gonna try swing into here. Yeah, I know.
Corner
Straight down, corner barn. Oh, kill, step in.
Hit!
Move, 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 move. Oh, hit. I didn't want to shoot you. Hit. Got him. Bang, bang, bang.
Okay, right.
Sorry, oh.
Fucking hell.
You alright?
Yeah, alright.
Sorry. Down, tractor clear!
Tractor shed clear!
Search! Begin the search! Now, you in that little room, I can throw a grenade in, or you can walk out with your hands up. One guy in the room, Killian.
What, this room in the right?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Positive?
Yeah, because Steve blocked my shot when he walked in.
And we have grenades.
Yep.
Keep going. Sorry.
Come on.
No, they don't.
Yeah, he is.
Grenade went in.
And he's sitting there very uncomfortably.
I'm gonna respawn in there. Right.
Okay, I need you to watch that door.
Right. That room's dead.
I know, yeah.
Move.
Ready? Go. So you lose a life. Lose a life.
Bang, bang. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. Alright, going out. Nice, you done, guys.
Respawn is gone. Yellow team, you're on your last life. Go, push, kill them all.
One guy, white building, straight ahead.
Have we got the bomb?
No, not yet. That's in dungeon. Move.
Okay.
Take your hit. There you go. All right, let's do this.
Spawn is down.
What?
Spawn is down.
Their spawn is down. Nice.
Yellow guy here though.
Oh, he's down. Is he friendly? Grenade! Plane, move!
Their respawn's gone though, so
Yeah.
we just need to do this quick.
Merks, on me! Come on, on me. You ready?
Yeah. Where are we going?
Into the barn.
Dungeon! Aim for dungeon!
Going right.
You go left-handed. Can't do that.
Friendly's in dungeon.
Go.
Breach.
Reds, reds, reds!
Friendly's in.
Steve. Clear!
Where's the case? Look for it.
Into the right.
Have it.
Into the right, Steve. Into the right.
Move.
It's in there somewhere.
Where is it?
Lads, it's in the tractor shed here. Where is it?
Couldn't find the truck shed.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
That's not dungeon though.
And we need to bring it somewhere. Where do we need to bring it? Here, set up an arc.
Where are you bringing it?
To the fuel tank.
Oh, great. You forgot the C4.
Where's that?
Where's this?
Fuel tank.
Arcs.
Get us cleared for you.
Reds coming through.
Reds, reds, reds.
Stephen, come on. Stop, stop, stop. Stephen.
Clear.
They're in the right. They're into the right where you were last time with the Claymore.
We need to get to the
We're into the gateway there.
fuel tank. We need the fuel tank.
Fuel tank here. Stephen, get into the left if you can.
Did anyone get the clock up?
Any grenade? Here, lads, grenades left.
No, I've no grenades left. Mine went off.
Just push, just push. Go for it.
Killian needs you to clear the oil tank room.
Come on,
Go.
come on, man.
Go, go, go.
Blaine, go.
Red. Steve, come on!
Yeah, yeah, we're good.
Blaine, set it up. Blaine, Stephen, Blaine, push over to the left more.
Have to
Arming.
defend this for a minute.
Arming. Arming. Bomb armed. Detonate in 58 seconds. Detonation set for perimeter!
Reds, come on! Alright, Merks, get some real safe. Woo, nice one, Blaine.